This is Life According to Bruno. Unlocking Inner Peace, How to Meditate. A complete guide with tips for beginners. Meditation is a powerful practice for enhancing mental and physical health. It involves focusing the mind to achieve a state of calm and clarity, helping reduce stress and improve overall well-being. Many believe meditation requires emptying the mind or having a religious affiliation, but these are myths. In reality, it's about presence and mindfulness, accessible to everyone regardless of background. There are several types of meditation, each with unique benefits. Mindfulness meditation fosters awareness of the present moment, while loving-kindness meditation cultivates compassion. Focused meditation sharpens concentration by centering on a single object or thought. Before meditating, it's crucial to find a quiet space free from distractions. Establishing a regular schedule enhances the practice's effectiveness, making it easier to integrate into daily life as a consistent routine. Comfortable positioning is key to a successful meditation practice. Whether seated or lying down, finding a posture that allows for relaxation without discomfort is essential, enabling a deeper focus during sessions. Focusing on your breath serves as a powerful anchor to the present moment, guiding your attention away from distractions. By simply observing the natural rhythm of your inhalation and exhalation, you cultivate a sense of calm and centeredness. This technique lays the foundation for a deeper meditation experience, allowing you to connect more intimately with the essence of your being. Dealing with distractions is a common hurdle in meditation, yet it offers a unique opportunity for growth. When your mind wanders, gently acknowledge the distraction without judgment and softly redirect your focus back to your breath. This practice of returning your attention builds mental resilience and enhances your ability to concentrate, making it easier to achieve a state of deep meditation over time. The role of posture in meditation cannot be overstated. Adopting a proper posture not only prevents physical discomfort, but also significantly improves your focus. Sitting with a straight yet relaxed back or lying down in a comfortable position ensures that your meditation session is both effective and enjoyable. It's a simple adjustment that can profoundly impact the quality of your practice. Guided meditations offer a structured path for those new to meditation, providing direction and support. Listening to a soothing voice guide you through the process can help alleviate the uncertainty and frustration that often accompanies beginners. These sessions act as a valuable tool, introducing you to various techniques and helping you find what works best for you. Incorporating meditation into daily life doesn't require extensive time commitments. Even short sessions can yield significant benefits. Seize moments throughout your day for brief meditations, whether it's during a morning routine or a midday break. This practice helps maintain a calm and mindful state, enhancing your overall well-being and making meditation a natural part of your life. Meditation fosters a profound mind-body connection, enabling us to experience deep relaxation and significant stress reduction. This practice helps synchronize our physical and mental states, leading to improved overall well-being. By setting realistic expectations, we encourage a journey of patience and persistence in meditation. Immediate perfection isn't the goal. Rather, the focus is on gradual progress and the benefits that come with consistent practice. Exploring meditation apps and resources can be incredibly beneficial for beginners. These tools offer guidance, structure, and support, helping to kickstart and maintain a regular meditation practice amidst our busy lives. The importance of consistency in meditation cannot be overstated. Establishing a regular practice is key to unlocking long-term benefits, such as enhanced focus, reduced anxiety, and a greater sense of peace. Incorporating meditation and mindfulness into everyday activities can transform our daily experiences. By being more present and mindful, we can enjoy a richer, more connected life, fully appreciating each moment. Overcoming the initial hurdles of meditation, such as restlessness, boredom, or frustration, is crucial for beginners. Embracing these feelings as part of the process and gently guiding your focus back to your breathing or chosen object of meditation can transform these challenges into stepping stones towards a deeper practice. The scientific community has shown a growing interest in meditation, uncovering its myriad benefits for mental and physical health. Research indicates that regular practice can decrease stress, improve concentration, and enhance overall well-being, providing a solid foundation for newcomers to trust in the process. Creating a serene and dedicated space for meditation can significantly enhance your practice. Whether it's a quiet corner of your room or a more elaborate setup, this space should invite calmness and be a physical reminder of your commitment to mindfulness. Addressing common questions beginners have about meditation can demystify the practice and make it more approachable. Whether it's concerns about not doing it right or how often to meditate, providing clear, reassuring answers can be incredibly empowering for newcomers. As we conclude, remember that embarking on a meditation journey is a personal and profound step towards self-discovery and mental clarity. Be patient and kind to yourself, and let your meditation practice grow and evolve at its own pace. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for all of my future videos. If you have a recommendation for me, please leave a comment down below and let me know something you would like to see on our next videos. As always, thank you so much for your support, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. This is Life According to Bruno. See ya!